Welcome to our Cardiff campus, home of the creative industries. So this is our theatre, where most of our performances, live theatre and music take place, and a lot of our lectures. This is one of our theatre practice rooms, which is used for rehearsals and our theatre festival each year. As you can see, we are in the centre of Cardiff with close proximity to all the train stations and the shopping centre. And our student accommodation is just across the road. So we are now in the Zen room, which is used for conferences, guest lectures and external events. This is our design studio. Students work on paper, screen and design for a wide range of platforms. This is one of our open creative spaces. We have two large professional standard photography studios equipped with professional lighting and an infinity cove. The equipment in this room is of industry standard and is used in the fashion and production industry globally. The studio is divided into design and production in the exact way that fashion industry studios are set out. Welcome to our interior design studio, where students work in a professional studio environment, experimenting with varying medium on paper, digitally and in 3D, either through their own construction or with our 3D printers and laser cutters in the workshop. This is our laser cutting and 3D printing workshop. So this is our stop motion workshop, where students studying the animation stop motion course have their own workshop to create their own characters. So this is our art studio for life drawing. So this is our student pitching room. This is our first boardroom style classroom used for students to practice pictures. This is our sound effects studio. So this is our motion capture suite. This suite is a cross-course space to allow for the recording of body and movements, tracking and mapping. So this is our broadcast journalism suite. This suite and next door, which is the control room, are both dedicated to journalism and media students for their quicker productions, such as news simulations, interviewing guests for TV and radio programmes, and recording their own pieces to camera.